The journey of calcium supplements begins with carefully selected raw bones.
Controlled transport preserves the integrity of raw bones destined for calcium supplement processing. At the factory, precision logistics take over. Every crate enters a controlled industrial environment. Inspection ensures only approved material proceeds.
High-pressure washing removes surface impurities. Moisture is reduced for efficient mechanical processing. Mechanical crushing increases surface area for extraction. Safety systems protect purity at every step. Controlled heat prepares the material for mineral transformation. Thermal processing isolates the essential mineral content. From raw bones, the mineral foundation of calcium supplements is formed. The mineral base now enters precision refinement.
Particle size is reduced for consistent bioavailability.
Uniformity ensures stability in every tablet. Closed systems maintain hygiene and efficiency. Controlled mixing removes residual impurities. Filtration refines the mineral to pharmaceutical standards. Moisture reduction stabilizes the mineral structure. Even airflow guarantees uniform dryness. Final refinement prepares the mineral for formulation. Precision storage maintains controlled conditions.
Accurate dosing defines consistent supplements.
Blending transforms mineral powder into a unified formulation. The refined blend now enters tablet formation.
Precision compression shapes each calcium tablet.
Uniform tablets move forward in perfect rhythm.
Every tablet is verified for consistency.
Safety screening protects product purity. Surface refinement enhances product finish. A steady flow ensures uninterrupted production. A protective layer improves stability and handling. Controlled drying locks in the finish. Cooling stabilizes the coated surface.
Digital inspection ensures flawless presentation.
The tablets are ready for final packaging. Empty bottles advance in precise formation toward filling. Each bottle receives the exact number of tablets. Secure caps preserve tablet quality.
Automated labels ensure consistency and clarity.
Each bottle is checked for perfection.
Settling ensures every tablet is snug and secure.
Tamper-evident sleeves are applied seamlessly.
Heat sets the protective layer perfectly. Each batch is counted for accurate packing.
Boxes form precisely to house the product securely.
Bottles are carefully placed into their protective containers.
Sealed boxes are ready for shipment.
Batch information is applied for traceability. Boxes are grouped efficiently for warehouse transfer.
Stacked pallets glide seamlessly toward storage or shipping.
Conveyors ensure smooth transition to organized storage. High-tech cranes place pallets precisely in their slots.
Each pallet is logged for accurate inventory control.
Products are readied for efficient distribution.
Forklifts coordinate perfectly to deliver pallets to trucks.
Each truck receives its load efficiently and safely.
Seals guarantee secure transport of the product.
Distribution begins as trucks head to regional centers.
Products reach distribution centers ready for local shipment.
Distribution scales down efficiently to local retail points.
Store shelves are stocked systematically for customer access.
Every product finds its designated place for easy access. Clear labeling ensures transparency for shoppers. Proper lighting showcases the products for consumer visibility.
Products are ready for consumers to pick with confidence.
Every choice is guided by clear packaging and labeling.
Efficient store layout guides shoppers seamlessly to checkout.
Checkout lanes operate efficiently to minimize waiting.
Each purchase is logged accurately for inventory tracking.
Products leave the store efficiently in customer hands.
Consumers carry home the products, completing the journey.
Inventory systems maintain constant awareness of product levels.
Backroom operations ensure shelves are always replenished.
Well-stocked shelves create a smooth shopping experience for all.
Every journey concludes at the point of sale with seamless precision.
Conveyors deliver each item efficiently to the scanner. Each product is tracked with accuracy for inventory and sales.
Automation ensures speed and consistency in every bagged product.
Transactions are quick, secure, and error-free.
The final handoff completes the retail journey.
Receipts provide transparency and confirmation of the purchase.
Products leave the store in the hands of the customer efficiently.
Supervised lanes maintain efficiency throughout the store. Proper supply management prevents delays and ensures readiness.
Organized queues allow the flow of customers without congestion.
Supervision ensures the highest standard of service and precision.
Every shipment begins with careful organization and preparation. Heavy loads are moved precisely and safely into transport vehicles. Optimal placement maximizes space and prevents damage in transit.
Safety and stability are verified before every journey. Precision in loading ensures every delivery begins on schedule. Smooth transport keeps the supply chain moving reliably.
Arrival at the hub sets the stage for the next stage of delivery.
Unloading is synchronized to prevent bottlenecks and maintain flow. Sorting ensures every product reaches the correct destination efficiently.
Final preparation for shipment guarantees smooth distribution.
Every route is planned to maintain timely delivery.
Constant monitoring ensures reliability across the supply chain.
Efficient delivery brings products directly from the distribution hub to retail floors.
Every pallet is positioned for seamless access and inventory management.
Sorting ensures each product reaches the right aisle efficiently.
Careful shelving makes products easily accessible to every customer.
Presentation is key, making products appealing and easy to identify.
Continuous refilling keeps inventory ready for every shopper.
Quality control ensures every product meets display standards.
Strategically placed displays guide customers toward featured products. Accessible placement allows customers to select products with ease.
Efficient checkout ensures a smooth final stage of purchase.
Restocking guarantees that every customer finds the products they need.
The final scan ensures every product leaves the store efficiently.
Products transition seamlessly from shelf to customer hands. Back-end monitoring ensures supply meets ongoing demand.
Organized pallets guarantee swift shipment to retail destinations.
The heart of the factory maintains efficiency at every stage.